So we have entered the famous. No, it's not famous though, but it's called as Anmod Ghat, and it's pretty. Ooh, damn. It's famous for. I mean, literally, it's famous for those things. The trucks coming and the vehicles rolling over and falling off the cliff, accidents. Yeah, that's what it's famous for. And bad roads, quite obviously. Bad roads is also a very popular thing, which it is popular for, I guess. So, anyways, it's a 13-kilometer stretch, I guess. Yeah, it's 10 to 13-kilometer ghat. 10 to 13 kilometer of pure bliss ghat. Damn, dude. I'm literally gonna have so fun. I'm literally gonna have so fun descending this ghat. I think my rear tire is fucked up for some reason, but भाई अभी तो कुछ रुकने का कुछ सीन है नहीं वैसे. I think my rear tire has lost a bit of air because I'm not able to take the corners confidently. But yeah, anyways, I think it's gonna be fine. It's gonna work out for some reason. But I think I will get it checked once I descend the ghat and enter into city. But before that, I have to go to this place called Pebble Pond, dude. Like, I am very much curious about that thing, that place. Pebble Pond. What's Pebble Pond? Like, I'm way too curious about that. What is Pebble Pond? Is it a pond made up of pebbles and there is no water at all? Or is it a pebble pond? Let's see. This ghat is notoriously famous for those things, like the trucks are flipping over off the cliff and there are many accidents, 4-wheelers, 2-wheelers, and yeah, but another thing is this ghat is way too lovely. This very lovely ghat. I totally love this ghat. It's not like I have never been to any other ghats, but this is one of the ghats where when you get off it right, when you descend it right, you go to Goa, and Goa is, as you know, it's a paradise. I think I should be checking my wheel right now. I should be checking my rear wheel right now, but I think so that it's gonna be okay. It's okay. But somewhere I am feeling I'm feeling less air pressure in the rear tire because I'm not able to grip the road properly. But yeah, there is this who's that guy? Rishabh Music, the sitar guy. He goes like, you know, is there some sort of checking or something? Because I don't think yeah. Why would I even stop? Oh, yeah. I think that was a Kawasaki versus. This is a new motor. Yep. Now we are officially into the ghat and very near to Moldam. That is Goa. But very near to Goa. Very near to. I'll just put it in the neutral, which is a very wrong thing to do, obviously. don't put your bikes, I mean motorcycles, in neutral while descending the ghat. Please. That's that's like one of the best advice I can give any of you. Give it to any of you. Like that's one of the best advice I can give, because if you put your motorcycle in neutral, right, it will have no resistance. Like there is a push and pull force when you are engaged in gear. That's how the engine braking works. So if you are in neutral, it will have no resistance at all. And yeah, you can't, then so you can't control your bike where it's going and where it's not going. Yep, that's how it works. Guys. This guy is from Belgaum. Belgaum is also very near to Goa. Okay, they have repaired the stuff. Actually, there was no this thing. What do you call it? The gutters. Okay, sorry. It's gutters only. No, there were no gutters with this road. It was just during the rainy season. Please don't ask me how this road looks, dude. Like, there will be water all over the road. It will be slippery as hell, and there will be so much traffic, so much of accidents. So yeah, it's kind of better that it is very good that they have built gutters for the waters from the small falls. झरने बोलते हैं, झरने से पानी जो आता है, it will pass away from you. This is a good thing. Whoa, slow down, bro, slow down. That guy was like, slow down, bro. Literally, slow the hell down. That guy was too fast, by the way. ऐसा नहीं करना है, घाट है वो भी ऐसा घाट नहीं है ये, समझे क्या? So I think that this ghat is around it's around 1200 feet elevation, or not 12, yeah, it's around that 1200 feet elevation. That's how it is. I don't know if it's 12. Hey, sorry, it's not 1200 feet, it's actually 1200 meters, 1200 meters elevation from the sea level, of course. I'll be slow here, dude. I will be slow. Oh, damn! Did you see that car? That was a Jaguar, I guess. Yeah, that was a Jaguar. I just caught a glimpse of it, but yeah, I think it was a Jaguar. I just saw the grill of it, and yeah, by the grill itself, I can judge that it's a Jaguar for sure. I have to be very careful while selecting my target because target fixation in the ghat is very important. So, yep. Thank you, visit again. So that means we have entered Goa. This is Goa. No, quite literally, this is where Goa starts. And yeah, with Goa the tarmac road starts to. Maximum of the roads I have seen in Goa are made up of tarmac, which is very good according to me because it's fun to ride on tarmac roads. Why do they even ride on the road, the rocks?
Bruh.
Why do they even do that shit, bro? Like, why? Is it to see odd boys, DD boys, sorry. That's an Instagram thing. Like, it's a drawing of Instagram. DD boys. What does that even do? I remember when I was a little kid, we had come to the same road, the same way to Goa. All of this was not there. The railings, the cement thingies, they were not there. Zero protection. That's Goan air right there. That's Goan air right there, dude. I'm totally just kidding. I have just entered Goa right now. Yay! Olam, 11 more kilometers to go. And yeah, this is Dudhsagar Ajoba Mandir. Dudhsagar Sagar Ajoba Mandir. It's very similar to Gorgatza, if you think like that, then yeah. He is the protector deity of this particular mountain and total area. This mountain and whatever this mountain range of mountains covers, right? He's the protector of it. Yeah, what's up, dude? What, he's sick? I think he just shit. I literally think he's shit. Oh, now the heat is starting to get into my body. Like, yeah, this is good. Now it's getting a bit warm. It's not so cold. It's not so cold. It is pretty warm right now. Okay, what happened? I'm good. Ready. क्या चुम्मा रोड है भाई ये मैं बता रहा है ना मेरे को ये रोड इसके लिए पसंद है भाई मेरे को ये रोड इसी रीज़न के लिए पसंद है भाई देखो रोड को देखो यार हाँ यू आर प्लीज यू वेलकम MH12 whenever I come to this road I feel the road dude like look at the damn road man this is a very pretty road इतना सुंदर रोड तो मैं कभी देखा ही नहीं भाई मतलब सही में I really need to explore more of this but there are many other ways to go to Goa too anyways I don't think that I will be coming back from this particular road I will be going back from Dandeli I guess yeah Dandeli is a pretty good option to go back at I hope I don't crash. I really hope I don't crash. Ooh. Okay, that's a very bad patch. Very bad patch. I think I should just railway right there.